Hey guys, this is Ronald from
What you talking about, Willis?
Product Reviews and Affiliate Training. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be bringing to you guys some really good affiliate marketing training from some of the top affiliates that I recommend, and I'm pretty sure it's going to benefit you too. And also, I'll be dropping some nuggets and some of the things that have helped me out and helped me build my lists and things like that to help me make money online. So I just wanted to present myself, and again, welcome to my channel. To better assist you guys, tell me please, what areas are you struggling with? And click the link below and let me know, and I'll make sure that I provide you with good content, good videos that will help you through this affiliate journey. Okay guys, that's enough talking. Let's hop straight into this video.
Okay guys, with this video I will show you the best way how to make money with Max Bounty, how to get more leads, and how to promote your affiliate link. I will show you exactly one of the best product that I am promoting, and I will show you one of the best traffic that I am using to promote all my affiliate links. And of course you can promote any affiliate you want using this an amazing traffic. So I will show you exactly how all this working, and you can only copy my method, and that's all you have to do. When you do it, you will get more leads, and of course more money. Okay, so let's start. First I will show you what product I am promoting, and then I will show you exactly how to promote this product. Like you see, this is my all my earnings from this method with Max Bounty. Of course, I will show you exactly what product I am promoting, and I will show you the great traffic that I am using, and you can use it too. So first let's go and search for a campaign, and I will show you what product I am promoting. Okay, when you click search campaign, we will find this page, and like you see, there is a lot of campaigns here, and the product sorry, you can find here a lot of product that you can choose and promote. And basically, let's go sorry, inbox and make search. You will find some product with this word, and the best of them is inbox dollars. Okay, US. Okay, so let's visit this product, and we will find this page. Now you can see, if you click here in the eye, you can see the page, and like you see, for every sign up, for every member who's sign up, he will get $5. So that's great. That's make our product more convert, and more this will give us more sign up and leads. And the members, all he have to do is email and password again. Okay, so like you see here, for every sign up, for every email, you will get $2.18, okay, per lead. So this is great, and you can use contextual, and you can use search and mobile ads. Okay, I will show you exactly how you can use a contextual using your banner from Max Bounty. Okay, now this is very important. You need to get a lot of members from United States, and you can make 20 action per day. Okay, so you can get up to 20 action per day, and for every action you will get $2.80. Okay, this is very important. Now, how to use your banner, and how to get your link, and what traffic you can use, and so you can get leads and sign up. Okay, so you can see here build tracking link. Okay, so let's visit, and we will get this page. Now first we need the banner. Okay, we need the banner, so let's click here in banners, and we will get this page. Now the banner we need is 468 to 60. Okay, this is very important. This is the banner that we need, and the reason this banner is very convert. Okay, this is very convert, and this is the size that we need. Okay, this is the size. This is very important. Okay, you can't use this banner or this banner. Okay, or this. We have to choose. You have to choose only this size. Okay, 468 to 60. Now you can select here, click select, and you can see the banner already here. Now all you have to do first is to download and save. You can click here and click save image as, and save your banner in your computer. Okay, in your desktop, so you can found it when you make your campaign. Okay, now we have the banner. Now we need the link. Okay, so you can see here we have contextual, and click contextual here. Okay, okay, so contextual, and you can see this is our link, our affiliate link. Okay, now how to get traffic. Okay, this is very important. This is the $1 million question. How to get traffic. This is very important to get traffic and to get leads. Okay, no traffic, no leads, no money. So you have to get traffic if you want to make money. This is easy like that. So first you can visit adhits.com. I know you know about this website, but I will show you a secret way how to use this banner advertising. This is very important, and what website you can promote on this. You have to choose the right publisher to advertise your banner. So this is very important. You can't promote your banner everywhere here. You need something real, something specific. Okay, I know you can go here one of them and promote your banner, but this is not working for you. You have to choose the right place so you can promote your affiliate link and get leads. So I recommend first to go to here to search and type 300. Okay, when you type 300 and click enter, you will find one page, one place, and let's visit. So basically you can see this site have almost over 5,700 unique visitors. Now this is very important. All these visitors searching for make money online. Okay, this point, this is very important. So all these members, okay, searching for make money online. That's mean you can't promote a dating product or a lose weight product or wedding product or wood product. The only product that you can promote on this website is only make money niche or a category. Also you can use Bitcoin, that's great. Bitcoin and make money. This is the only categories that you can promote on this website. Okay, so how this work? Like you see, this is very cheap. For 30 days, only $20. Okay, that's mean 0.67 cost per day. So this is very cheap. Okay, so how this work? All you have to do is click this option and click buy, and you will get this form. Now first let's upload my banner. Choose file and let's choose the date from tomorrow. You can't use from today, you have to choose from tomorrow. And let's go back and take copy. You can see with Max Bounty you have a copy, and let's back to here. Now this is very important. We already have the HTTP // so make sure to delete this from the URL like that, and let's type here add. You can type anything here. Okay, you can type whatever you want, and all you have to do is click upload. Great. Okay, so we have the link. This is very important, and we have the banner like you see here. So everything is great. So all you have to do is click next step, and we will get this page. Okay, now basically you can see you can pay using Bitcoin, and you can use pay with a credit card. It's your choice. You can paid. You can choose how to pay for this campaign, and you have to wait 1 day, so they will approve your banner, and then you will start get leads, and if your product is for sale, so you will get sales. It's of course it's depend your product and what you promoting. I hope you like this quick video. I hope you will succeed with Max Bounty. You can make a lot of money with Max Bounty, and of course you can change your life with earning with Max Bounty. I hope you will succeed, and thank you again. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you again, and good luck.